Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Bitcoin. We'll do a full update. I'll try to tell you everything you need to know. We do have some big news today, all right, which is good because apart from that, the market right now is not too great. I mean, yesterday we still had that spot CVD to hold on to, right? I mean, you can see that the spot CVD yesterday morning was still relatively positive. Since then, it's practically only been negative, all right? So in general, the markets right now are not great. If you look at this at least, so what this means, spot CVD is there's a sell-off in spot, but also in futures, as you can see. A ton of positions, like over $500 million in positions were closed. So what that means is that we're losing momentum. All right, that doesn't necessarily make Bitcoin bearish, but it certainly makes it not bullish, if you know what I mean. All right, because you need momentum to actually be a little bit bullish. But if you look at the technicals, and we talked about this yesterday in the midday market update as well. If you look at the technicals, we're just consolidating here. All right, and if you zoom out, and I've said this before. But if you zoom out, I would say we are slightly bearish. But like I said, if you look at the EMAs right here, the EMAs are relatively flat. There's a slight downtrend in the EMAs as well, but the EMAs being flat is a sign that the price is bouncing around in a range. And today, and that's the good thing about today, or at least the good thing, hopefully, and we will at least get some momentum. And I also think we will get the breakout today. Am I 100% sure about that? No, but today is the day. All right, so the volume has dropped down a little bit already again over the last 24 hours by 15%. And what we have later today at 2:30, and that's UTC plus 2, so do the math. I think that's, 12:30 UTC. We have the CPI and inflation rate data, all right, and that matters a lot. What they expect is that it will drop down a little bit, which is good, at least the inflation rate, CPI doesn't. So that's good, but if it drops down more than expected, that could be great, and then we could actually see some bullish momentum and a potential breakout, all right, because right now I would say the main level that we are consolidating between, and you should just imagine that this trend line isn't here. So let me quickly drag it up at least. So the main consolidation range I would say is this level right here between 63,400 and then here at the bottom at 60,600. But we also still have some support around 60,000. So something like this. This is the range which we are in, and like I said, I do think with the lowered volume and with the impact that economic events have had in the last couple of weeks and last month, I do think the result is going to matter a lot. So if the inflation, if it's as expected, we'll just probably continue to range in here. Very boring, but that's most likely. If it's lower than expected, that's good, and I think we actually have a chance, and I would expect a bullish breakout like this and a continuation up to 65,600, which, by the way, this move right now seems very unlikely, like I said, because there just simply isn't any momentum. So news could change that, but a bullish breakout is quite tough to get here. Even after bullish news. And if the inflation rate is higher than expected, that's bad, and we will probably get a bearish breakout, which is also in line with the general direction right now. So that's probably a little bit easier to get, with a continuation back down to at least 60,000, but probably also a breakdown below that down towards 58,500. So that's what we have to wait for. Right now, on the short term, until the news, I would say I'm a little bit bullish because we are consolidating and we hit the bottom of the consolidation range. So it's most likely to get back up there to the top. But the main level that would need to break to get some confirmation for that is 62,200. So short term, I do expect this, but longer term and over the course of today, it just depends on the news, which I will probably not be able to update you on. I will update you in the Telegram groups, of course. But I'll be gone in the afternoon, so I cannot check it out live. But keep your eyes on that. Know that it's coming, and check it out on myfxbook.com if you want to check it out live. But those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.